Ay, birthday ko pala today, guys. Philippine time. It's my birthday today. But here, the 8th pa kami. So, tomorrow is my birthday here. This video is for thanking everyone for greeting me already, especially sa Philippines. I cannot answer you guys because I'm actually at my work. I'm working. So, I just got here on my work. So 10 minutes I have to start my work. So it was my stressful day today, but I'm still thankful that I have another year of my life. My wish is just peace. Peace includes peace on earth, na hinaot that everyone will, think of positive, think love, spread love, and peace means peace in my family back home, and specifically my family here. Peace nga hinaut unta nga my kids would grow up, with guided by God. I mean, good future. General speaking, peace. Peace, peace, peace. Yan ang aking wish. Yeah, so thank you for all who have greeted me, and I know there are still people who are greeting me. Thank you. I cannot answer you guys. I cannot. Kay di ako sa work, and the entire day today I was so busy because I have so important I was almost got stressed, but thank God everything is fine. Basta tiwala lang. All I wish also is God will strengthen me, and that I can have a solution to every problem. Anyways, God bless everybody. God bless, God bless, God bless. God bless us all. And thank you very much. Thank you. Sa family ko back home, thank you. I love you all, guys. See you soon pohon in a month. Love you, love you. Okay. Take care. God bless us all.